Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install Soundconverter on a Chromebook. The first thing we want to do is enable the Linux development environment. So to do that, I'm going to click on my launcher here, and I'm going to find my settings, either by searching or finding the icon. And on the left-hand side of the settings, near the bottom, you'll see Advanced. I'm going to click on that to expand that tab, and scroll on down to where I see Developers. Here I'll click on Developers, and where it says Linux Development Environment, I'm going to click Turn On. That's going to start up a setup wizard for the Linux development environment. I'm going to click Next, and it's going to give me a username based off of my email, and then a recommended disk size. I'm going to change this because my Chromebook does have some more storage, so I'm going to up this. You can keep it as is if you want. Depends on how many apps you want to install and the size of your Chromebook. And once I change it, I'm going to click Install. And that's going to take a few moments to run ahead and install Linux, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once that goes ahead and installs, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to expand this and increase the size here so you can see it a little bit better what I'm doing. And I'm going to make sure everything is up to date by typing sudo apt get update and then 2 ampersands and then sudo apt get dist dash upgrade. And I'm going to use a -y flag so I don't have to answer yes to the additional space. And I'll hit enter and let that run. Okay, now that the Linux development environment is enabled, we can install Soundconverter. To do that, I'm going to type sudo apt get install Soundconverter and hit enter. I'm going to confirm the additional space with Y and enter. Okay, once that's run through, I'm going to click open my launcher here and check in my Linux files. And you'll see I have a bunch of different things I've installed in here. Let's go find Soundconverter, which is right here. I'm going to pin this to the shelf and then click to open. And here we go. We have Soundconverter installed on this Chromebook. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.